Hey, Steve Bentley here, and we just got a new shake in from Isagenix, and it's a plant-based shake. It's rice bran and pea protein, I believe, and strawberry flavor, so it's a new flavor. We had a vanilla chai and a chocolate before. They're pretty good. I didn't actually realize the flavor or the type of protein in Isagenix is actually got the same amino acid profile as our whey protein. So I've been a big whey protein fan. I don't have any sensitivity to lactose or whey protein, so I've been using that constantly. I'm gonna try out this new strawberry shake, see how it goes. I always find it interesting when people do these taste tests to, they're so surprised on the flavor. So I figured, what the heck. Just got the box yesterday. Looks good, it's almost the same color as my shirt, so that's cool. See how this rock and roll. And we have a blender deal. Here we go. Made pizza yesterday, so full pizza pan. I'm healthy, but I am not a health freak. I like food. Okay. I just put this in with water. It's supposed to be a complete meal, 250 calories, 8 grams of fat. What's that? 14 net grams of carbs and 24 grams of protein. There we go. Tastes just like the whey protein shake. That's good. I could do that. I could totally do that. This is gonna be tough. I'm gonna have to buy some of this now too. Anyways, there's the Isagenix Phyto-IsaLean strawberry plant-based protein shake, meal replacement shake with their Phyto-IsaLean blend. Anyways, have a great weekend. Chat later. Bye.